Hi everyone, today we're going to cook beef in coconut milk. It's called Masak Lemak Cili, daging. Okay, so anyway, what you need is coconut milk, a bit of beef, some tomatoes, a slice of dried tamarind, and this one. Okay, this is a mixture of turmeric, lemongrass, shallots, garlic, ginger, and also galangal. All right. Okay, I'm using a wok. Okay, empty wok. So what you do is you pour in your mixture of turmeric, shallots, ginger, lemongrass, bird chilies. If you're not sure about the ingredients, you can read below this video the ingredients that I blended. All right. So I'm just waiting for it to a little bubble a bit. Okay. Right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and channel. Okay, here we go. Starts to boil. Starts to bubble a bit. Okay, so what you do, you put in your beef. Okay, put in your beef. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to bubble a bit before I pour in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, once it starts to bubble, you add in your coconut milk. I'm using 1 coconut milk. Alright, so okay, just give it a stir. I'm using 1 coconut, I mean. Okay, so you just add in your dried tamarind. Okay, and we leave it to bubble a bit, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, halfway through it, you can add in your tomatoes. I'm using around about 2 tomatoes. If you want to use tomatoes, you can. If you want to use potatoes, you can. I just felt that I want to use tomatoes today. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add salt to taste. Okay. Give it a stir. And I'm going to leave it for a bit till the meat is cooked. Okay, our dish is finally cooked. Okay. So this dish can be eaten with white rice, or with noodles, fried noodles and all that. And I hope that you will try my recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day.